Welcome to Follow My Cakes. This is episode 6, Unforgettables Holiday Favorites. Can you believe Christmas is less than 2 weeks away? The holidays are like my favorite time of the year. 1, it's good food. 2, you get to be around all your family and friends. And 3, I get to make all of my favorite sweets. Now the Grand Marnier alcohol-infused pound cake, yes guys, for adults only. You probably want to order 2 of these because it's gonna go fast. This next holiday treat is for everyone. Can you guess what it is? The number one thing I love about being a cake artist is being able to be creative and having fun. If you haven't put your cookie kit order in for this year, don't worry, there's still time. Deadline to put that order in is December 18th. So you know red velvet is like the best dessert ever invented, like hands down. It's like the best cake ever. So Unforgettables decided to, of course, offer it for Christmas, but we're gonna package it a little different this year. So not too long ago, a friend of mine suggested that I combine the luscious key lime cake with the succulent strawberry surprise cake. I've never combined 2 different cakes before into one cake, so this is going to be interesting. Wow, I have to admit, this is so good. For the holidays last year, I decided to make cinnamon rolls for the very first time. And of course, I had to bring them back this year. The first 3 viewers that share this episode, that list their favorite holiday dessert in the comments below, and that likes the Unforgettables Facebook page will actually receive one of the holiday treats that you saw in tonight's episode. I know, right? Hey, it's the season of giving, and I know that you're gonna like these treats. Thank you so much for tuning in to tonight's episode, Unforgettables' favorite holiday treats. We will see you next week for episode 7. Stay sweet.